Hey folks, it's Tom, your Frugal Prepper. This is my latest tool that I made. This came from Amazon, the soldering holder and the base. It came with a sponge. I don't use sponges, so I can just put my tip tinner there and put my cleaner over here so I can tin my tip and get ready and stick my soldering iron in there. Now this did not quite fit. This soldering iron would go all the way down in there, so I got a lock washer and I just used some Harbor Freight epoxy and stuck that in there so that it sits in there nice now. And I made a modification to this, and I'm going to show you what it is. So here's my modification. This actually comes off. I need two hands to do it. This is magnetic and it comes off, and you can stick it on there, and now you have a holder that you can use in the car, and then you can just slide it back. In fact, this would be better if it was aimed the other direction, like so. And now if I'm working, say, with this computer soldering a wire, I've got this, I can work, I can put that back over there and it holds it until I need it. But I can put it back on this stand, and that stand fits perfectly over my battery pack. Now, this stand had a couple of raised parts to it so the magnet wouldn't sit flush, so I just put that in my vise and flattened them out. But it's a perfect little tool. I can take it apart, stick it in the top of my soldering box, and I'm set. What I used to make this, I'll put a link to it down below on Amazon where I got it. It was cheap. It was like $7 or $8. But it's a connect link one-piece soldering iron gun sponge metal. And then I got this from Harbor Freight, a 2-inch diameter round base 25-pound pole magnet. It came with the screw that's in it. I put that in to the magnet, and then it holds it. Then I have a spot to set my tip tinner and a spot to set that when I'm working on a bench, or working on a car. You don't normally need your tip tinner that often, but that holds everything. So yeah, I like this really, really well. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. This is Tom, your Frugal Prepper.